So this is the electronics in the counting head. You can test each channel with, for example, a screwdriver. With a screwdriver in there, you see an LED coming up there. So that's how you can test each channel. There's a hexadecimal switch just underneath this communication board over here. If this is set to 1, it's write enabled. And if you would set it to 0, like so, that's on 0, then it would be write protected. So then you can't change the parameters in a controller. So I'll set it to 1. Your one is also set to 1, so that you can change the settings. Then the QA diagnostics terminal, which is this one, it just plugs in here. So I take the plug off. Put this in. It starts up. Let's see if we can see it. And this gives you all the percentages of each channel. They should be above 70%. You can see here the lowest one I see is 85, so that's all good. This is the brightness of the LEDs, 29%, which is also good. Sensitivity is set to 92%. If you want to change that, you can change it on the next page over here, sensitivity, 92. You can set that, for example, to 95. And then you need to store it. So if the head is write protected, you don't see the store button here, but we have set it to write enabled. So you can store the setting. Okay. So now it is more sensitive than before. See, it has taken over the 95%. Now for this head, because it's 27mm pitch, I can count these ones fine on 92%. On your head, because it's the channels are wider, you may have to set it to 95%. But yeah, you'll have to try it out. So that's how that works. This is the same size product that you're running. It's 5mm in diameter and 2mm thick. And the way you want it to run it is not too much bounce on this front plate, so that the products drop nicely in the center of the channels, and then it should look like this. So that's how it should run, and then it counts perfectly. Okay, so I've loaded 1213 products on the plate. You can check the count here. Let's start it up. one. 1213. Perfect. And this is the new controllers that we have, but the electronics are also compatible with the old electronics, so that should count just as well.